Hi color friends! Welcome back to the Number Color Club. In our 6th K-pop Demon Hunters insert, we are coloring the adorable Baby Saja. He's the youngest member of the crew and so much fun to color. We'll begin with number 1, beige. This is the skin tone for Baby Saja's face, neck and ear. Color these sections smoothly to give our little star a bright and happy look. Next is number 2, gray. We are using this for his smart shirt color. It adds a nice, clean touch to his stylish K-pop outfit. Now, let's find number 3, pink. This color goes on the large diamond shapes of his checkered sweater and his cheerful smile. It really makes his outfit look cozy. Time for number 4, purple. Use this for the remaining diamond shapes on his sweater and the background behind him. This deep shade adds a lot of great contrast. Next is number 5, yellow. This bright, sunny color is for all the magical stars floating around Baby Saja and for the thick band of his beanie hat. Let's move to number 6, green. This fresh color is for Baby Saja's messy, stylish hair peeking out from under his hat. It's a very cool K-pop hairstyle. Now look for number 7, light pink. This soft color fills in the rest of his trendy beanie. It matches perfectly with the pink diamonds on his sweater. Finally, we finish with number 8, dark beige. Use this for the small shadow details on his face to give the drawing a little bit of extra depth and dimension. Wow! Baby Saja looks absolutely precious and ready for his big debut. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun coloring. See you next time!